What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and I'm launching my 30 days to get your life together on my channel. So for the next 30 days, I'll be posting a video every single day that is going to give you a tip that you can do on that day to help you feel more organized, more productive, and just feeling as if you're getting your life together. It's also June and half the year has gone by. So this is a perfect time to get your life together. Before you feel overwhelmed, this is going to be small manageable things that you can do every single day for the next 30 days. So if you can't get one of the challenges done on that particular day, don't worry about it too much. You can always have the idea and you can work on it on the next day or whatever day you have available. The full 30-day challenge list will be available on my blog at the end of this challenge, so you can always check it out and revisit it if you ever feel like if you need to get your life together again. In this 30 days of getting your life together series, I will be occasionally having free printables that will be available on my blog. I will definitely make sure to let you know, so you can check the description bar and download it and join me for the next 30 days to get your life together. Before we begin, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's my only form of social media and there's so much exclusive lifestyle content over there. So today is day 1 of 30 days of getting your life together. So what we're gonna do is to get a pen and get a paper. So I'll give you like 2 seconds to go get a pen and get a paper. Okay, so those were your 2 seconds. So now you are going to write down 5 goals that you want to get done in this 30-day challenge. For instance, 5 things that I would want to get done is to clear out my room and clean up my room by the time this month is over. I want to wash my makeup brushes because I didn't do that in forever. For my stationery brand, I really want to finish design a very cute sticker book that I've been working on, but I've just been pushing it off a lot. To try to organize my digital space as well as my closet and shoes and stuff like that. And my 5th goal is to do something every single day that will make me feel as if I am more productive and organized, which is exactly why this challenge is going to be great, because not only am I going to be doing it along with you, is that we can do it together and we can hold each other accountable. If you don't want to do 5 goals for this challenge, you can probably do 3, or if you really know what you want to do for this month, you can definitely do 10 goals. So it really depends on what you want to do, but there's really no limit. Also, there is going to be a free printable that will be available on my blog that is going to help you write down a list of your goals and what you want to accomplish in this 30-day series. So as you're going through this series, you want to go ahead and keep checking up on those goals to make sure that you're getting them done. So that is my first tip. Don't forget to click down below to get that free printable that I made just for you. Also, if you want, you can go ahead and create a community down in the comments down below and share one of the goals that you want to have for this 30-day challenge. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you are excited for this series, and look out tomorrow for my day 2 of the Get Your Life Together series and productivity challenge. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of the amazing content that I have planned for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on day 2 of this challenge.